The ears. In order to show the stitches more clearly, we'll use gray yarn instead of black yarn for demonstration. Please refer to the stitches, ignoring the yarn's color. You should use the corresponding yarn in the kit, according to the instruction. Wrap the yarn around your little finger, and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Work into a magic ring. Make loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop of middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch is dress height and will not be counted into number of stitches. Then work 6 single crochets. Remember to mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six shapes on the side stand for 6 single crochets. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The snip stitch serves as a collection. It's not counted into number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If the yarn is too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet or increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. Once it is done, keep working 5 more sets. The second set. Work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The second set is done. The third set. Work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The fourth set. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The fifth set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The sixth set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Six sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. One single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet are finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 5 more sets. The second set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. The third set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. We have demonstrated the 3 sets. Please finish the rest of 3 sets by yourself. Work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet as 1 set. Six sets are done. Remove the marker. And work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 4 is done.